Hey friends! So this is a really cute, simple makeup look. I hope you enjoy. Going in with the NYX Photo Loving Primer in green and applying that all over. I'm using the green as I have a fair bit of redness at the moment and I just want to tone that down. So now I'm going in with Australis CC Cream and Too Faced Born This Way Concealer and applying this with a small fluffy Beauty Bombs eyeshadow brush. I'm just applying a really light layer and then blending in with my fingers. Whatever's left on my brush I am applying on my eyelids just to cover up any blue veins or redness. Now going in with the Australis Fresh and Flawless powder in light beige and using that to set my eyelids and the center of my face using the Beauty Bombs powder brush. Going in with NYX pigment in vanilla or champagne, I'll have the description down below, and I'm using my little finger to apply right in the right in the inner corners of my eyes, and this can be messy, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now going in with a Stila liquid eyeshadow in Kitten Karma and just going over in the inner corner of my eye. I just wanted to add a little bit more of a bronze effect, so you don't have to do this, but I just like the combination of the two colours. Now I'm going in with this eyeliner pen. I bought this in Japan and it's a really nice dark brown. And I'm just going to do a little baby winged liner. Make sure you curl your lashes to really help open up your eyes. Going in with my favorite Nude By Nature mascara. Now I'm applying some lashes, and what I did is I actually cut off just the last quarters and applying to the outer edge of my eye just to kind of give a really cute flirty look to my eyes. Going in with this NYX blush, it's super dark, so I'm using it as a little bit of a contour bronzing blush and using a Beauty Bombs blush brush. Now going in with the NYX blush in the colour Red, and I'm hamming it up. I'm just going all out, applying it on my nose because that's what all the cute girls do. Very sort of a cute anime, slight anime look, I guess. It's just blending it out lightly with whatever foundation is left on my brush. Now going back in with that brown eyeliner pen, I'm going to dot on some fake lashes just across my nose and a little bit on my cheeks. Using the Anastasia glow kit and applying on my cheekbones, nose and cupid's bow and a little bit on my brow bone. lips, I'm going in with this NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in Cherry Skies. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.